Hello everyone, welcome to the course Beginner's Guide to AutoCAD. Course will be available in my Udemy channel as well as in my site sunandlace.in. In this course, we'll learn from the basic till advanced level about AutoCAD. The version I am using in this course is AutoCAD 2024, that is the latest version. If anyone is using the previous one, nothing to be concerned about it. It is almost similar in aspect. A bit of difference is there in when we'll go to the 3D part. We'll have a sort of difference in rendering. But as for now, if someone is using the older version, 2016 or 2022, nothing to be worrying. We one may follow my lecture and then he or she can learn from my lecture. Here you can see the homepage of AutoCAD 2024. It is the interface you will be landed upon on opening the AutoCAD software. Here, initially, you are watching some of the file with name Dr. Saurabh plot, HM final in meter, Saurabh, and all. So here, you will get the project that you have done. These are some of my projects that I have done and have saved it in AutoCAD. So you will get your saved project here in recent tabs. And then to open a new page, you need to click here the new button. And just above it, you can see there is a button called open. When you will click in the open button, you will be landed to a pop-up menu where you will get options to open your earlier work. As I said, it is available in your recent tabs too, or in your initial home page. So we need to open a new page. We'll click in the new button, and then a new page have been created. The black space that you are watching in the screen is the working space or the drawing space where you will be drawing your structure. Let's get familiar with the tool. In the topmost left corner, you are watching the icon of AutoCAD. Here, upon clicking that icon, you will get to save your project work. You can export it into PDF format, DWF format, etc. And you can close your AutoCAD application. Or you can open your earlier work or some new work, or you can import some CAD drawing here from the import option. And then we have the next quick access bar. Home, insert, anode, parametric view. This row is known as quick access bar. Eventually, when we'll begin with our drawing process or drawing question, I will let you know about the various function about these tools. For the time being, let's get familiar with the various tools that are present in AutoCAD. So this is the quick access bar, and then next, so this is the ribbon bar, where we have line, polyline, circle, fillet, mirror, text, dimension. Just get for the time being, just get familiar with the AutoCAD interface. With time, eventually, when we'll draw our structure, we'll come to know about the various uses of this element. And then we have this command line in AutoCAD. Apart from using, like, if we want to draw a line, we can just click here line and then left click in this space, and a line will be created. And just as per your convenient, how much distance you want, let's say I need 11.29 photo, just click the left click your mouse, then the line will be drawn, and then enter space, a line has been drawn. Same, instead of clicking here in the line, you can give a command. Like for line, there is a shortcut, just press L, and then enter space. The line command has been activated. And then again, left click your mouse on the drawing space. Yes, and then extend it till what length you need, like let's say till 10.245 you need, or you can just give a command like you need 15 meter, just 15 type, and then enter space, a line will be created, and then again enter space. Yes, here's the line. So in AutoCAD, either we can use the tools that are available in the ribbon column, or we can just give command in the command box, and we'll have that command what we have put in the command line, and we can use that command to draw our drawing. Okay, after that we have this row. This row is called as toggle bar. Here you can see, like you can see a grid lines here in the drawing space, so you can turn it off by just clicking this grid mode off, or it has a shortcut F7. If you put F7, it will come back, and if you just click F7, it will turn off. And then we have this auto mode, color tracking, then snap tracking. We have this part. We'll eventually get to know about it when we draw our structure. Even if I tell you about the function of this structure now, there is a high chance that you will forget about it. So it's better when we'll be practicing our question, when we'll be practicing to solve or to draw some structure, I will explain in depth about the use of every tool. And then this one is known as UCS, user coordinate system. Here you can take the direction of your drawing, whether something is facing towards north, east, west, and you can see here is a top. You can just rotate it also. Since we are using it in the drafting and annotation, uh, here we are using drafting and annotation, so it will be in 2D plan. If you select 3D basic or 3D modeling, let's select 3D basic. Our interface has slightly changed. Here you can just rotate this, but let me show you. Yeah, this UCS can be rotated, because in 3D you will be looking at an object from various perspective, uh, top, bottom, or left side. In AutoCAD, we can draw 2D as well as we can go for 3D. In this course, I will be teaching both 2D and 3D. More specifically, I will be teaching 2D from basic to advanced, and for 3D, I will be launching another course. This is all about my course that I am gonna teach in the coming lectures. Myself, Syed Azharul Haq, BTech in Civil Engineer. I hope you will be loving my course in the journey. Thank you.